Sunday morning. So we're with Ministry Detect. It's been a few weeks. We've been on this farm before, but we've got some new land to detect on, and we're in Staffordshire. Wish us good luck. First of all, I don't know if it's part of a saw or maybe part of brass or something, maybe, don't know.
I can't get a bend on it.
What snaps have you got? Let me try these. You got decent ones there?
Alright.
They're right when you put your hand on it.
Oh, it's bad wire.
Yeah, you got bob on one side and you got that square. I think if you can cut that square, it should be free. Oh, nice one. If we back her out at that.
It's all right. Hold them a minute.
Yeah, right. And lift that bob wire up there, we should.
It's all matted. Look.
Yeah.
Just cut the bare wire. Try them, James.
We'll cut the fur with them.
1 minute. You hold its arse end so it don't start jumping around.
Yeah. Get these snips off there. Pull here, mate, and just trim that wool.
Yeah.
I want to get skin.
Yeah, you're quite thick the wools on these things.
Oh, you got yourself in a right mess there, haven't you, Beck?
Oh.
That's it, almost done. Almost done. If we lift that up and back her out, she should. Come on.
There we go.
No, not that one, idiot. Look around and...
What about me?
Does James need cutting out now? Aww. The sheep heroes! Yay! What did you do? You just filmed it. Well done, James.
Thank you.
Looks like it will probably buckle of some sort. Very rusty. I think it will. Jumping all over the place this, so there must be other metals in the ground. But just see there. Oh, it's a modern coin. Elizabeth. Ship's halfpenny. So this has just come up. Apparently it's a medieval farm token. Farmers got it right back in the day. Instead of paying hammered coins, they'd pay them in tokens, so they can only spend the tokens at that farm. Yeah, it's a nice find. It's medieval. Quite pleased with that. It's got a buckle, nice sharp big ring. In the early 20s on the Knox. Oh, what a shame. That would have been a lovely, lovely buckle. Definitely an old one. Definitely. Oh, I wish that had come through full. Can't see any patterns on it though. But yeah, it would have been a nice buckle. Is there a bit there? Oh, what a shame that's not full. Nice one. An old padlock. Made in China. Well, it's not too old actually. Made in China. That rang 29.30 on the Knox. It's looking like another token of some sort. I don't think there's as much pattern on that one. Nope. Don't want to rub it too hard because it's lead. Oh, don't know. Is it a token? They've got a different pattern on. don't know. Let's see what it's like when it's cleaned up. Little coin spill of 21p. This is looking like another buckle. It is. Spectacle buckle. Nice one. Lovely. More bloody tube. For anyone that's new to this, a moo tube is an ointment that's put on cows. I think it's put on their teats. I'm not sure, but that's why we call it moo tube. Cow ointment. So they're one of them ring things. That were hard work, but just see it there. It's another spectacle buckle. Doing alright on buckles today. Oh, it rang really low, like 8, 9. Still button. Hollow one. Go on, let's see what this is. Is it?
Token.
Token.
That
Another one.
got-
Farmer's token.
Yeah, it is. I thought it was
Nice
silver.
one. Oh, that's a nice one.
Lovely that.
So there's a lot of medieval
on
stuff
that
coming up
side.
in here.
It's got. Cheers for that, Paul.
Nice one, Stuart.
Thank you.
Got myself another farm token here. 14.15 on the Knox. Skip ball. A fired one. Look, it's flat on that side there. Okay. Cool spindle wheel there. Not a fancy one, but still got age to it. I don't know what that is. Looks like it was part of something old, unusual. Ant, what have you found?
Nice little tall shilling and a little sixpence. Full there.
I'll take 2 of that anyway, now I've got your number anyway.
Oh wow, they're great then.
6 months without one, that is. It's
Oh, don't just turn them both over. So what years?
This last one then.
1600s. Who knows?
Oh, well done.
Thank you.
Well, that's it for me today. If you've enjoyed watching me, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll be back on the Ministry to Tech digs soon. And I'll see you next time. Bye.